I hope you all are doing great. We are back with another video. In this video, I am going to show you how can you add other people in your Google spreadsheet. How can you give access to other people? How can you make an editor, commenter or simple viewer? So without wasting our time, let's start our video. Okay, so here you can see the interface. We need to click on this Google Apps and we need to go Google Sheets, right? Click on Google Sheets. It will take you at this interface. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to, like, if you want to create a new spreadsheet, click on blank spreadsheet. Okay, let's take an example. You need to add student details for your specific country. Let's suppose you need to add student details for Uganda. Okay, so you can add like name and level, whatever you want. Okay, you can give some headings and you can make it accordingly. Okay, so after adding the data all here, okay, name, level, each and everything, you need to follow the format. Okay, so you want to share this with official email, which is tuazama.universal@gmail.com, and with vice dean Dr. Okafor. Okay, so what you need to do here, you can see the option of share. Okay, click on share. It is asking that you need to name this spreadsheet before giving access to someone. Okay, so let's say if you are making this spreadsheet for Uganda, you need to name this like TULA Uganda. Okay, name the spreadsheet according to your country and add TULA before this. Okay, click on save. And now here you can see that we can see the people with access. It's only me who have the access. What you need to do, you need to give to Gmail account the access of your spreadsheet so that a changes could be made. First one is tuazama dot universal. Okay, you can see that tuazama.universal@gmail.com. Okay, you need to give access to this email, and the second email is dr.okafor, okay, dot vice dean dot tula @gmail.com. Okay, so you need to give access to this email also. Okay, remember these two emails, we are also sharing these emails with you. Okay, after doing this, you can add an additional message like Tula Uganda student list. Okay, so after doing this, you have this option here. You can make them viewer or commenter or editor. You need to keep it editor. Click on this, and now you can click on send. Okay, after doing this, here you can see that access updated. You can click again here. Here you can see that these three peoples have access to these Google spreadsheet. Okay, I hope so everything is clear now. If you have any questions, just comment your questions under the video. We will address your query accordingly. See you soon in the next video.